Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Jennifer, at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we are looking at your brand new 2018 Toyota Corolla SE with the upgrade package. It is a 4-door, 5-passenger front-wheel drive sedan in a stunning alpine white. Under the hood, you'll find a 1.8-liter inline 4-cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of upgraded 17-inch wheels. You have your high-contrast sporty front bumper with that pre-collision sensor hidden behind it, as well as your power moonroof from the inside. But why don't we head on in and take a look at your interior features. Helping you into your Corolla is your handy fob. You have the lock, the unlock, as well as your trunk release and your panic button. To unlock the driver's side, simply press once, and to unlock all 4 doors, press twice. You also do have your turn signal indicator on your side mirror there. Opening it up now. Plenty of space to hop on in with a nice dark sporty interior. We have that really great leather trim with your white contrasting stitching, as well as your power windows and your power locks. On the side here, we have that really great fan detail, as well as your power windows, your power adjustable mirrors, and your heated steering wheel and heated side mirrors. Perfect for those cold winter months. Keeping your vehicle nice and clean is your full set of all-weather floor mats. And the real showstopper in your Corolla is your mixed SofTex and fabric seats, with that really great blue trim all throughout to add that sporty touch. And letting in all that light is your power tilt and slide moonroof. But why don't we hop on in and start it up? Starting up your Corolla is super easy. Simply put your key into the ignition with the foot on the brake. That dashboard's gonna light up to welcome you with that really stunning ambient lighting. As you can see, you also have your lane departure warning right on your dashboard there. We have this really great leather wrapped steering wheel, which is heated as well. We have your hands-free calling, your volume control, and your Siri eyes-free system. We have your mode changers, as well as your cruise control available here, your dynamic radar cruise control option, and your lane departure warning. Again, all part of your Toyota safety sense. Taking a look at your awesome 6.1-inch LCD touchscreen, you have your CD player on top with your AM/FM radio, as well as when you plug in your media through USB or auxiliary input. And with your hands-free calling, you have your Bluetooth audio, so you can bring your music wherever you go. Here we're seeing a really modern touch to your climate control. You do have your automatic climate control as well, and these beautiful chrome tabs to adjust all your options there. Below, a must in Alberta weather, we have your heated seats for your driver and your passenger, as well as your 12-volt DC charger and USB auxiliary inputs right there, with some additional storage below. We have that beautiful leather trim again on your shift knob. You have your traction control as well as your sport drive mode. And we see that chrome and leather on your parking brake. And with your cup holders, you do have the removable piece to make it nice and easy to clean. And here we're seeing that leather again on your center console with the small shelf on top for smaller items. And below you have plenty of storage, plus that mat comes out for easy cleaning as well. Here we're seeing that beautiful contrasting blue again, as well as your glove box with all the manuals you'll need to know everything there is to know about your Corolla. Just a really stunning design all together. But why don't we head on back and take a look at cargo. Here we are at the back cargo area of your Corolla. To pop that trunk open, simply hold the release button on your fob. It'll open up for you there. Perfect for when you have your hands full. Plenty of space to store everything you need in your vehicle, as well as this handy hard cover, which underneath you do have your spare tire with all the tools and your jack in case anything does happen. And with that handy cargo lamp inside, you can make sure that you see everything that's going on. You also do have your 40-60 split rear seats in case you need any versatile storage, and your emergency release is available there. Closing it up now, you do have your license plate lamps underneath, as well as your backup camera as part of your Toyota safety sense. There we see that SE badging as well, and we'll take one more look at the back of your Corolla. Taking one final look at your 2018 Toyota Corolla SE with the upgrade package. With your extremely stylish interiors and your heated leather-wrapped steering wheel, you can definitely drive away in the ultimate comfort. But don't just take my word for it. Come on in, take it for a test drive. We are at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.